Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. A ladder of length 5 meters is leaning against a vertical wall. The base of the ladder is 2 meters away from the wall on horizontal ground. Calculate the angle that the ladder makes with the ground to 1 decimal place. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. There are generally 2 strategies for tackling a question where the subject is a right-angle triangle. When we know the lengths of 2 sides of a right-angle triangle and want to find the length of the 3rd side, we apply Pythagoras' theorem. When we know the length of 1 side and the size of 1 acute angle, or we know the length of 2 sides and want to find the size of an angle, we apply trigonometry. In this question, we've been asked to find the angle that the ladder makes with the ground, so we need to use trigonometry. Answering this question is a 3-step process. First, we need to sketch a right-angle triangle, applying the information given to us in the question in order to identify the angle the question is asking us to find. Then, using trigonometry, substitute the values given to us into the appropriate trigonometric ratio to find the angle that the ladder makes with the ground. First, we need to sketch a diagram of a right-angle triangle using the information given to us in the question. And we've been told that the base length of the triangle is 2, and the longest side is 5. We've been told to calculate the angle that the ladder makes with the ground, so we can label this angle theta. In order to apply trigonometric ratios, we need to identify which side is the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. The side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, and the side opposite theta is the opposite side, which leaves the base as the adjacent side. We can use the acronym SOHCAHTOA. To help recall the trigonometric ratios. We've been told the hypotenuse and the adjacent side, so the appropriate trigonometric ratio is the cosine ratio, and the cosine of theta is equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. the length of the adjacent side is 2, and the length of the hypotenuse is 5. So the cosine of theta is equal to 2 divided by 5, which is 0.4. To find the value of theta, we need to take the inverse cosine of 0.4. So theta is equal to the inverse cosine of 0.4, which gives us a value of theta equal to 66.4 degrees. So the angle that the ladder makes with the ground, and the answer to this question, is 66.4 degrees. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.